That's top of ledger.
That actually looks like it lines up pretty damn close.
So today's gonna be a fun one, guys. Wearing my LP shirt. Got this at IBS. I thought they'd be handing out more stuff there. They really weren't. But anyways, we're gonna wrap this thing up today. It is pretty early in the morning still. We're looking at 8:30 right now. We're gonna have this thing built, I'd say right around 11:30. We have the tractor getting picked up at 12 to get moved to a different job site. We have a site meeting on a future project, which is the home that I've been telling you guys about for a minute now. Full cut and stack, huge custom home, beautiful, beautiful house. We have some high dollar decking wrapping the whole backside of this place. All single level, but it is big. So that's our next project. The catch though, today we have a site meeting out there. Taking you guys with me. In this video, you'll get to see a quick glimpse at the next build series. Now, I'm not sure which route I want to take. If I want to slow things down a bit and show you in detail plating and detailing, getting your layout dialed in, and then moving on to just the rough framing of walls, talking about OSB, and kind of making it a detailed tutorial all the way through. Or if we want to just do a build series again and show the whole project getting knocked out, you guys will still get some banging little tips here and there, but it won't be as knowledgeable. Let me know what you guys prefer. You won't see as much action if we decide to go that route, but I think it'd be fun. You guys can gain a lot of knowledge from that, and I'll show you everything throughout a build. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you want tutorial, how-to, knowledge? Or do you want build series, wall banging, same thing we've done in the past? for it.
Down on that lot 13 or whatever, bottom of the hill. 15,
Are you?
13. Are you doing the electric on that one? Maybe.
One down, 8 to go. I need some lunch. Nice sandwich or something. That's what I'm feeling. To go. And we're off. Can you turn around somewhere?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna drive the tractor down and just leave it down on the main road.
So I might have missed the ending there. I'm not too sure, the camera cut out, but it's done. That means we're done. Time to get on out of here. We have a meeting here pretty quick. I talked to you guys when it was 8:30. It is currently 11 o'clock. So we did that in 2.5 hours from start to finish. From absolutely nothing on the wall, laying out, getting our little knee braces in there, prefabbing those, getting those up, beam, ledger, all rafters dropped in 2.5 hours with one guy, two guys for a little bit. Not too shabby. I'm gonna get some tools rolled up though. Get the heck out of here. But first, we have to do a big wide panoramic of the back of this place with all three of these built. Let's check it out. So now I completely spaced this, but we have 4 pieces left to put up still. We've got these cute little detailed pieces that go on the side of the beam and then up against the house on both sides. I'm gonna throw those on. Then we're done, I promise. So we've got the cordless Makita grinder. This is what we use to sand down all of our cuts. I want to try to clean up those edges. There we go. Ooh, man, that looks good. So we're gonna do a quick little walk around of this building as sort of a farewell. And I just reminded myself that I have to take these guys off. I would have forgot them. So we wrapped up this backyard, our patios, our trellises, and to be honest, I think it looks great. Let me know what you guys think down below. Overall, this backyard is sweet. So as we come around the side here, we've got the back side of the garage. They did some window changes. We personally didn't do them. The general that we're working for had his guys do them, like this right here, and then a few others. Along with the back, I don't know if you guys noticed, it went from 5 windows in the back to 7 now. This window here shrunk. Monster garage. An entryway that I absolutely love. And then we've got this long backside here, straight shot all the way down. But that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button down below. Join the over 80,000 watching already. And I'll see you guys on our next build series. Bang on.
How's it going?
Looks a lot different.
You know, then they got work to do to strip form. How's it going?
Hey there.
Both matte vanillas.
You know, don't know. It's another 3 weeks after that to get the slab.
Another 3 weeks after that?
Yeah. You guys are out a little ways. We're out a little ways.
So what changed on just the music room?
Yeah, so the music room is on, really it's
the roof gone, it's not tied part of the house. Well, can we lock it in early?
Yeah. Yeah, I just need to get what what I want to do if we're gonna lock it in is I'm gonna get lumber dropped prior to it getting poured. That way I've got it for the price that we can get it for now. Because if I wait 2 months, it's gonna cost me. Okay.
Like I said, we're pouring Tuesday if you guys want to.
So that's all she wrote, guys. This is our next project. As you can see, it's a fairly big house spread all the way out across this place. It's gonna be fun cut and stack roof. We've got some redwood decks going off the back of it. Overall, it's got a pretty big footprint. But that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Big thumbs up down below. Smash that subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bang on.